Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I would like to share with you some thoughts about this deck. So as you can see, this is a deck that's based on the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, but this is one of the best versions. So in my opinion, if you're getting the traditional Rider-Waite-Smith deck, it is rather that you will get the Art Nouveau, because the illustrations are very beautiful. They are more appealing than in the classical Rider-Waite-Smith deck. And personally, I really like this deck, and I actually going to work with it, and I also worked with this deck. So as you can see in the Wheel of Fortune and in the High Priestess, I just took out the letters that were here, because I'm not working through the Abrahamic religious system. So it was a bit distracting to me, so I decided to just, take a marker and just get rid of those words. So this is not, of course, in the original illustrations. Now, the other thing that I wanted to mention, that although I'm not a fan of the English tradition and I'm not a fan of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck overall, I find this one to be very, very good and practical and workable deck. So this is like one of my favorites. As you saw earlier, the illustrations are more lively. They're looking more pleasant than in the classical deck. And this is just beautiful. And the gold is adding to this deck. So this is the back, as you can see. They're very standard size, high quality. And this is by Lo Scarabeo. So anyways, thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram on Esoteric Rain. And also I want to remind you, if you're interested in learning the Tarot de Marseille, you can purchase my book. The link is down below. And you can have all the interpretations of the Tarot de Marseille. I have a new system and you can just learn it by clicking in the link down below. So see you in my next videos and goodbye.